Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ibeth and today we're finally decorating for Halloween. I'm actually a little bit late because I got COVID like 2 weeks ago. I could not do anything and so I kind of fell a little bit behind, but here we are. Ooh, the sun is really beaming in here. I don't always film in the afternoon, but I actually wanted the light this way because sunsets on this side of the house. I get the best lighting for the living room, which is why I'm actually filming right now. I actually wanted to share with you guys that we actually refinished our fireplace and I'm so excited because it looks so good. I feel like it fits now. So good. I wanted to remove the popcorn ceiling, but honestly, I don't know if I have the mentality to do that. Anyways, maybe in the future. Let's go ahead and get into it. When it comes to decorating for the holidays or holiday decor, I actually like to buy items that I know I will use every year. And if you followed me for a while, you've actually have seen a lot of these already. I did buy some new items this year because we moved into a bigger home. I have a little bit more space, but they're things that I know I will use every year. Also, when it comes to holiday decor, I highly suggest that you have a little stash of essentials, like for example command hooks and also fish wire or jewelry cord. I think I bought jewelry cord. I'm not sure which one is more affordable than the other. I would go with the affordable one, obviously, because these are things that you can use with your holiday decor to give you a much more cleaner setup, I guess, or so that you can hang things and, you know, obviously look clean. And that is all for today's episode. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe if you haven't already. I will obviously link everything that I can below in the description box. If I don't link it, it's because it's no longer available or I couldn't find a similar item. I do try to link similar items if I can't find the original or if it's not available for whatever reason, so make sure you check that down in the description box. And of course, I hope that you guys really enjoyed the video. I love the way that it turned out. I'm really happy with my new home and the fact that I can actually have more space to decorate. So yeah. Anyways, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.